Hey everyone, whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening where you are, I've got something exciting to share with you today. I'm about to reveal how you can access ChatGPT Plus features completely free. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. Now, we all know ChatGPT Plus normally runs you $20 every single month. That's over $200 a year. If you're a student or just trying to save some cash, that adds up fast. But here's the game changer I discovered. Fire up your browser, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you prefer, and search for Pieces for Developers. Click on that first result that pops up. This is where the magic happens. You'll land on their official site, and here's what makes this special. You can download their application completely free. Whether you're running Windows, Mac, or Linux, they've got you covered. Once you've downloaded and installed it, you'll see this clean, intuitive interface. Now here's the secret sauce. Navigate down to the Models section and look for ChatGPT or openai options. You'll spot the Plus version right there, ready to use. One crucial tip though, always, and I mean always, select cloud instead of device. This keeps everything running buttery smooth without bogging down your computer. That's it. Once you're logged in, simply click that lower left option to access openai GPT Plus, and you're golden. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.